I remember, Professor, you made a statement with respect to Sarkar tumchya dari, where just the heat was on during the election time. It was just start of the campaign. You said that this was imported model of another party and been trying to being implemented. How do you see the statement made by you 3 months back and the government or the present situation?
Yeah. So I'm not a politician who would probably make political statements. I was more of a data person,
Yeah.
and so I only spoke data, and the data, thankfully, like politicians, does not change. So I continue to maintain that. So there's no change in that. So the logic is very simple. I mean, if someone asks me what it is and what is it that the opposition parties probably need to do, yeah, or what is it that the government needs to do, is that government should see to it that the politicians become completely dispensable with respect to any governance issue, which simply means that no citizen should be wanting to meet a MLA in order to get his legal work done. So it's like, I want a Ladli Lakshmi scheme. Why do I need a MLA to take care of it? If my documents are in place, everything is in place, I should not need anyone. So the governance needs to be tightened, it needs to be improved, and that's how it is. And Sarkar tumchya dari, the whole concept of Sarkar tumchya dari probably was a very beautiful, I mean, that's a very great political step that Dr. Pramod Sawant took as a leader, because he practically reached out to every single constituency under the aegis of Sarkar tumchya dari, brought the public back into one place and promoted himself. So which is something that established him as pan Goa leader.
Yeah.
Right from Konkani to Pedne.
Very true.
So it's an astuteness that of Dr. Pramod Sawant that was seen.